Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So now here I am back again with one of the most interesting and exciting certifications for you all. So this time the certification is by AWS Community Builder. Amazon Web Services, we all are very well aware. So I don't need to tell you that what is it actually, right? So here we are having the AWS Community Builder. So what is done over here? That Simply here this AWS Builders, this is an online series, okay, that is being actually launched out, and where you can start in your AWS free certifications you will get in, right? So I hope we all know about AWS. You'll be getting free certifications for that particular Amazon Web Services. Okay, now AWS Builder Online series, it is completely designed so that you can get in the core concepts about AWS, like how does it work, so step by step, proper architecture for the same, right? Proper practical implementations. So for all of this getting of the knowledge for you people, this AWS Builders online series is actually completely designed out, right? So if you're a person who is either new to cloud as well, or if you're an experienced user, any particular person can join in, because you will get to learn lots and lots of things and the techniques to over here, right? So you will just get to learn about how you can secure, how you can deploy your workloads onto the AWS, and everything you'll be learning out. So what are the fundamentals for starting building an AWS today? Okay, you'll be learning all those fundamentals. We'll start on with the track 1, which is about building up your applications. The track number 2 is will be your AWS fundamentals 1. Track 3 is going to be your AWS fundamentals 2, and track 4 is going to be your optimize the Windows and SAP workloads on AWS. That is all what you will be having up over here. So if I tell you about that, where is AWS Builders online series hosted? So this will be a completely online event. Once you have filled up your registration form, after that you'll be receiving out some confirmation emails, and based over that same you will further proceeding in. Now who can or who should actually attend up this Builder online series? So if you're a person who is new to clouds, or if you're a person who is experienced in as well, so you'll be learning something or the other new in this AWS Builders online series, right? So this is completely designed to help you for developing up your writer skills, for designing, deploying, and for operating the infrastructure and the application. So that is all what I will be over here, right? So how do I get a certificate? How will you be getting a certification over here? So once you have completed watching all the 5 sessions, or basically if more sessions are there, so if you have watched all the sessions, you'll be receiving a certificate of your attendance to the email address, whatever you have registered over there, right? For the event before 3rd of February 2023, you'll receive up your certificate of attendance, okay, for this particular event. Now next, what are these sessions in languages? So these languages are your English, Japanese, Korean, Indonesia, Thai, and Vietnamese. Okay, all of these are over there. Now if you need to attend all the timings to complete the online series, so no, the sessions are actually repeated as well according to different time zones. So you can select whatever time zone best works for you, you can go for that one. Okay, the prices is completely free online. Confirmation, yes, you'll be receiving up a confirmation once your registration has been completed. So here I'm going to go click here to apply for this particular button. I'm going to close this once. Okay, it will redirect me to a new place over here, and I can go down, I can click here for the AWS, and yeah, here it is over 18th of January 2023. You can register here for register now from here, okay. And this is all of your tracks whatever are here. Events will be total live closing in 15 sessions, technical demos, any particular person will ask certificate of attendance. These all we have discussed. You have the session timings, right? Let's say if I talk about the India, so the timing is 5:30 a.m., 10 a.m., 2:30 p.m. Accordingly, you have the timings. These are the agendas. You can just go over those all accordingly. These are descriptions for the session. How is it gonna be all over? And here you can go on register now, and you can register for the same as well. Right, so these are all the details. I'm providing up the link for this particular one onto the description. You can go ahead and check this out, and according to your availability, you can just go over this AWS Builders online series, where you'll get to learn a lot and lots about the clouds and everything. So I hope you just have enjoyed this particular knowledge, and do fill out this and start a new journey on the clouds. See you there in the next video.